What is up, guys? It's Lifelike here, and today we're going to be searching for the 3 Easter things. So I already have one, this little chick right here. And yeah, let's see what else I can get. Let's see, so if I have the chick... Oh, there's the blue one! Yay! Oh, the Design It shirt. Let's put that on. Okay, so... Be any clothes? Here it is. Yeah! Okay, so there's one more thing for the Easter. And I have 2 eggs. I'm looking for this green one. I bet it's going to be hidden like plain sight, and I'm just blind and I never saw it. Hello there, what are you looking for? Okay, time to scope the area. Oh yeah! So guys, if you want to know where the other 2 were, I'm sorry I haven't told you. So, the blue one was here, as you saw. And the red one was behind this little gate over here. See the little outline right there? So, now we're just looking for the green one, which I need to scope the area for. Because it's going to be pretty well hidden if it's the color of all the grass and trees. So, yeah. One tree looks oddly different. Oh, never mind. There's another one like it. And let's glue this. So, oh yeah, glue, wrong thing. Okay, so the green one. Ooh, this is gonna be hard. Is that it? No. Guys, tell me, comment down below if you can see it. Okay, here we go. Okay, I thought it was over here. No. How am I gonna find it? It's kind of hard. It's behind here. No, this girl's already like there. I don't know why she's there, but she is. Okay, comment down below, guys. I'm gonna remind you. Say if you see it. So yeah. This is kind of hard. I'm looking behind everything because that's usually where all of them are. Here we are. Okay. So if we go across this. I haven't seen a thing yet. Come on, where are you, green egg? I have 2 of the things on. I don't have a lot of time for the last one. Let's see. You guys can see it or not? I'm gonna click on, like, next to the board maybe. I'm gonna, like, stand next to it and see. So if I get all of these, I get something, I get to wear them in the actual thing. No. Wait, what does it say? A new egg will appear each round. So, I must wait, I guess. Let's put on a party design. Party. That on. Wait, morphs. Morphs. Is there any, like, cool morphs? Ah, perfect. Yeah! Huh? Okay, so hat. Let's have a good hat. What's a good hat for a party? Ah. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, let's submit this design and yes, wait, because a green egg should appear next round. See who wins this party! Party! Yeah, guys. Let's see if we can do really good. Let's do this.
Who are you playing with?
Okay. Okay, guys. So, we have our party design, and now we just need the green one. So the green one should appear next round, and if it doesn't, I'll just keep playing until I find it. So, yeah. This is going to be kind of hard, I think. Yeah, look at me. I have a perfect, like, Halloween party design. It's kind of scary. And kind of funny. Okay, guys, it's almost time. Let's see if we can get first. Okay. Okay, let's see. Here I am. A party. Those 2 don't look like ready. They look more for like a wedding party. I'm gonna say she did the best out of these guys. Come on, I hope I get first. I could get like a lot of things, and then I could get the green egg. I'm ready for a Halloween party, and yeah, they have 2 dogs. I don't think that's party-ish. No. I know I voted. What happens if I click on myself? I can vote for it. That's funny. And disappear. Win. Come on, let's win. Let's win. Come on, guys, let's win this thing. No, I got 3rd. She must have voted for her. I voted for her, and she must have voted for her. No, I failed. Failed. Okay, green egg, here I come. You should be here now, right? I hope so. They're all going this way. I don't know why. I came here mainly for the part, so I need to edit my person with the shirt because I need to wear all of them at the same time. Again. And I need my recent. Take that off, and that off, and that off. Take that off. Oh, this off. Then that off. Oh, keep the chick on. Clothes. That one. Okay. Yeah, no, put that on. There we go. We have those 2. And now I think we need pants now. So, green egg, where are you? Come on, green egg, you can't be far. Come on, we can do this. Green egg, here, anywhere. I need you. Around, oh, there it is! The green egg! Pants, okay. I need to wear them. Okay. Clothes. Pants. Here's it is. Oh, yes, we got it all. We have all of them. Woo, look at us. Look at us. Look at us. So cool, we have all the design it things. So that means we should get the piece of equipment. Find all 3 hidden legs in the lobby to unlock a part of the Easter egg hunt outfit, or all 3 items from the egg hunt outfit in a round to win a prize. A new egg will appear each round. So I just need to wait. Look at me, guys. Yeah, festive. I'm Easter Fest. Chicks, design it. Yeah. Whoa, look at this guy's budget. You can wear like everything. What? We did it, guys. We did it. Woo, woo, woo. What if this costume you like you're gonna definitely win? Ooh, okay, so I need like a festive hat. A good festive hat. What's a good festive hat? Cat ears? Nah. It's festive. I think bunny ears would be better. Oh, there's Santa head. Yay! Submit design. I think she's looking for the green egg. I forgot where the green egg was. I think it was behind here. No, I forgot where the green egg was. I just remember like seeing it. Oh, it's over here. It's over here. It's over here. See, it's over here. It's right there. No, get the egg. It's right here. Get the egg. You don't want the egg? It's over here. Jenna, it's over here. It's over here. Look, it's right here. Jenna, it's over here. Gia. It's over here. The egg's here. Come on, get the egg. Thought you're looking for the eggs. I know, like, the green one's there. The red one's behind this gate, which it despawned. No, it's still here. The red one's there, and then the blue one, pretty sure is somewhere. Oh, there's Romana now. Oh, that's not that festive. And then I'm pretty sure the blue one's like over somewhere. Blue one is here. Yeah, the blue one's here. I have all three. Now, when we start this one, I should get something. A part of the egg wearing. So let's see. I got third last time, but look, which one do you think would win? Guys, comment down below. I don't think that looks like party. That looks like a wedding. And then this one's the one that looks like a party outfit. Yeah, this definitely looks like a party outfit. Look, party in the elevator, party in the elevator. Yeah, 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 yeah. It's party in the elevator, party in the elevator. Okay, guys, we're starting. Come on, guys, we can do this. We can get the Easter thing. Wait, where are we? We're not on here. Where are we? Festive? Yeah, she looks like festive. Where am I? Can they see me or not? Look, she has the chick. This one has none. And she's that. That's it. I have all of them. Okay. Let's get this item. Okay, let's see the results. I just need my item. Okay, yeah, I got third. But look, I have every item on. Can I get my item now? There we go! Woo, we got it, guys. Right here, Fashionista egg. Let's go check it out. Oops, wrong button. Okay. Let's see, avatar. Okay, so we have the Elder animation. Here we go. We have the McEgger and the Fashionista egg. So we have the McEgger. Oh, it's on my head. And I have the Fashionista egg. I have 2 eggs. Let's take those off. See, guys? That's what you get for hard work. So thank you guys so much for watching. And for this egg tutorial and the design it. And I guess I'll see you guys next time. See ya!